Math problem solutions of standard 4. Question number 1a. The smallest 4-digit number formed by the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 without repetition is 1023. Question number B. 12 rupees 20 paise is equal to 1220 paise. Question number C. 45,000 plus 4,000 is equal to 48,909 plus 90 plus 01. Question number D. How many days are there in 7 weeks 5 days? Answer. 7 weeks is 49 days plus 5 days 54 days. Question number 2a. 5 years 5 months is equal to dash months. Answer. 5 years is 12 into 5, 60 months plus 5 months, 65 months. Question number B. Subtraction. 15 hours 25 minutes 35 seconds minus 12 hours 17 minutes 15 seconds 20 seconds 8 minutes 3 hours. Question number C. Angshuman bought 25 flower garlands for rupees 25 and 25 flower garlands for rupees 25. How much money did he spend in total? Answer. Total money spent 25 plus 25 is rupees 50. Question number D. 20 people came to the birthday party. 15 people left after the party. How many people are left? Answer. People left 20 minus 15, 5 people. Question number 3a. Rohit had rupees 1200. He spent rupees 200. How much money does he have left? Answer. Money left rupees 1200 minus 200 is rupees 1000. Question number B. 22 people are playing football. One person went home. How many people are left? Answer. People left 22 minus 1 is 21 people. Question number C. What is the place value and face value of 202 in 202? Answer. For the 2 in the hundreds place value is 200, face value is 2. For the 0 in the tens place value is 0, face value is 0. For the 2 in the units place value is 2, face value is 2. Question number D. Write the smallest 3-digit number formed by the digits 0, 1, 2, 3. Answer. The smallest 3-digit number formed without repetition is 102. Question. What is the meaning of M in BODMAS? B brackets 0 order, D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. Question number 4a. 25 hours 25 minutes is equal to dash minutes. 25 hours 25 minutes is equal to dash seconds. Answer: 60 into 25, 1500 minutes plus 25 minutes, 1525 minutes. 60 into 1525 is 91,500 seconds. Question number B. 2200 months, approximate months, to convert to days. Answer: using an approximation of 30.44 days per month. 30.44 into 2200 is equal to 66,968.00 days. Question number C. Arrange in ascending order: 0.11, 0.10, 0.01. Answer: 0.01, 0.10, 0.11. Question number D. Addition: hours, minutes, seconds. 2 hours 20 minutes 50 seconds. 00 hours 20 minutes 20 seconds. 20 hours 20 minutes 00 seconds. 70 seconds 60 minutes 22 hours. 60 plus 10 seconds 60 minutes 22 hours. 10 seconds 61 minutes 22 hours. 10 seconds 1 minute 23 hours. Question number 5a. Determine the days from January 1, 2022 to May 1. January 30 days, February 28, March 31, April 30, May 1. 120 days, inclusive of the start date but not the end date, as in standard for such calculations. Question number B. Which is co-prime number? 2 is co-prime number. Question number C. How many points can two lines intersect at most? Two distinct straight lines can intersect at most at 1 point. Question number C. Rupees 8 5 paise is equal to dash paise. There are 100 paise in 1 rupee. So 8 rupees is 8 into 100, 800 paisa. 800 paisa plus 5 paisa is 805 paisa. Thank you.